Hey guys, Jason here again. I'm taking a wee break from the BMW because, well, the paint is really taking a long time. I have it in colour coat now. It is quite shiny in some places. I want to flat it back down again and do one more, well, maybe a couple of thin coats on it, and then we can do the final buffing on it. There's a few runs here and there, but overall the paint's quite thick in that. But I want to take a break from that there, mainly because it's incredibly boring standing. And I've been messing around the skateboard out the front and out the back, just trying to get back into skateboarding again. And what I thought would be cool to make a skate reel. So I've got 2 bits of box section here, 2 bits of 50mm box section. This should be long enough for what I want to do. We're not going to make it any too high or scary because I'm only getting back into skating after years of not skating. But yeah, I think maybe a foot off the ground. I'll go for board slides and 50-50s and stuff like that there. Won't be anything more technical than that there, I imagine. But yes, let's get into this. I did buy myself a new deck as well because my old deck is ancient. Here's here. It's an old hookups deck with old set of tensors that they aren't even made anymore. I don't know if hookups are still about. I do have this old cricket deck here as well that I moved the trucks so that I can teach the child how to balance on the skateboard without falling off too quickly, or, you know, because it's lower to the ground and you can't like stand on the tail like that there and fall off too easily. But yeah, let's get started in this. Let's get some metal cut and we'll go from there. Right, so this is just some 50mm box section then. It's quite rusty, but we'll put some wax on it maybe. It is just under 5.5 foot long, which will be perfect for me learning out again. And being 50mm, if we put one of these up the reel and then a wee stay, so we'll do it 200mm and then have a reel sideways, and we'll make one reel longer than the other one so the one where you're coming in will be a bit like narrower so you don't hit the trucks off it. I think we'll be good. Maybe if we'll put the one down this side like 1.5 foot wide, maybe 2 foot wide, put on each side of it. Would that be too much? It would be too much, wouldn't it? Be good for not falling over. Yeah, maybe do that there. So we'll do 1 2 foot and 1 foot and sand it. So I'll put you in time lapse by cut some steel and let's do this. It's gonna be a very quick job this here really. It's just cutting some metal welding together. Right, have these all cut now, and this one's 500mm long and this one's 520. I just thought maybe adding a wee bit extra to one side would make a difference, but I don't know. This is 200, and when you put the 50 and the 50 together, you'll get 1 foot in the air. Hopefully it's tall enough. Hopefully it's not too scary for starting out. Yeah, I'm just going to weld this all together. This isn't really much fabrication, to be honest with you, but it should be pretty good. There we go. It does look scarier now it's assembled than I had imagined, but it might be okay. I'm gonna go out and do a bit of warming up before I build up the courage to actually try to do anything on it, but I think it'll be pretty cool, maybe. Might never use it. Looks very scary. Even though it's only a foot tall, it's still pretty scary. Especially when you haven't skated in 20 years. But you gotta learn somehow. Hope you don't wreck as well. It was a bit scary for trying to 50-50 it, so I'm gonna try and cut a bit off one of the legs so I can come up to the side of it easier. But it sort of works. Alright, so it does pretty much do its job, what it's meant to do. I don't know what it's going to be like for 50-50s yet. I imagine metal on metal should be pretty good. I have no wax or anything like that either. So we have 2, 2, 5. If I cut 150 off that there, that'll give us enough space so we can come up the side of it and try and ollie onto it. I just don't have the confidence to jump over top of this onto it just yet. I would like to like start halfway, so yeah, I'll take 150 off this and then we'll go out and try it again. I'll cut that off there and we can now come up the side of it. I hope that I haven't taken too much off it, but we can always weld it back on again. That's the beauty about metal. So yeah, let's try this out now. Not going fast enough, but I'm still kind of not confident enough in my ollies. What if I get ollie over it? I think still ollie over it. Don't think I can kick flip over it. Not. Might get it. One more try, I think. Nah, not that good yet. Let's man up and try 50-50 again. Nah, not yet. Too scared. Right, well that's it then. Pretty simple one this time. But I just want to get back into skating again. Ordered myself a new deck and some grip tape, so that should be cool. That one there is pretty old and the tail's pretty worn down on it. But my grinding wheel seems to work. I'm gonna keep on playing with it, build up the courage to do some 50-50s. But you know, I'm only starting back out again. But yeah, thanks for watching guys. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next one.